Welcome to another video. My name is Kerry. It's another present time that we have met here again. Thank you so much whoever comes across here, my new subscribers, my new people, my new family who come across to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my channel. That's a better way of helping me here at the village. Thank you so much for the new subscribers, new viewers. I thank you so much. I'm coming live here from the village and I'm very much happy as you enjoy my channel. Hope you enjoy my channel wherever you are outside there. This is Africa, Kenya. I am very much happy. It's around time that we are going to make our breakfast, as I can say it. But we are going to make some toast, village toast. That's what I'm going to do here. So I am very much happy. Whoever comes across my channel, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Consider subscribing. That's a better way of helping me here at the village. Thank you so much. Now we go. This is how the village looks. It's very green. It rained yesterday, very heavy rains. We are having heavy rains nowadays, so it rains like 2 another day. So here I have to do some toast here. So I have some like so here I have a green berry. Here I have some coriander, as you can see here, and I have red onion, 1 tomato here, and some eggs. I have 3 eggs here, and bread. So what we have to do, we have to put the frying pan on fire. Working from here. This is the frying pan that I'm going to use here. Actually, this is the frying pan. We leave it to burn a little bit and then we start. So here I have some corianders, I have some green pepper, so I have to cut the corianders. So we wash them here. I did locally. So we have to cut them. This is it, and the green berry also. I have to wash the green berry here. I need a quart of it. So about the key, there are so many chickens here that are making noise. Actually, I'm cutting them together because I have to mix them. Also, I have the tomato here. This is the half of it, but it is too small. I have to put maybe the whole of it. Also the red onion. You have to small slices. I need small sizes. There we are. This is the mixture and that's how it looks. Hope you enjoyed this video. Whoever comes across new, Grace Kerry Mission from my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back again to watch my channel again. So we go and do the job at my usual traditional kitchen. So this is the egg. We have to pursue the eggs to break the eggs. 3. Some salt. We mix. This is how it looks. So we mix. So this is it. I have come back here to the kitchen here, so I'm going to do here something that you can see what it is. So I have to put oil. I don't have butter, so I have to use oil. And this is the bread that I'm going to use. We have United bread here at our country here. It is the United, and you can see the smoke, so I have to the bread. And these are the eggs that I have shown you the other time. So we have to do this. As usual, I don't have butter, so that's why I'm using a normal oil. You can hear the floor, sorry for the floors here. So I have to put a hole here. At this slice of bread, I have to put oil. To put such and hole, and the other one like this, and the other one. I can add here. We put some of the stuff like that. That is it. I hope you are enjoying this video here. Sorry about the clothes. Now what I have to put is the eggs. I have to put the eggs here. That's the first slice, and the other one. And the other one. Hope you are enjoying. If you can try it at your home, maybe. This is my style here. I don't know about your style. how it looks. And the fire has gone down. This is my normal blow of the fire. Now we turn the blade. Too much smoke. So we done the other one. Cut. So this is what came out. I hope you may enjoy. If you could have been here, we could have shared. You see how it is. It's very lovely. I think you can just try it at your home if you have never tried it. Thank you so much. When you are coming back again to watch my channel, I thank you so much. Thank you so much again and again. Thumbs up for everyone who comes again to watch my channel. I welcome you every day, every hour, every night. Thanks. Bye bye. Ciao. Let's see to another video.